Hi guys, welcome to my little art studio. Today I thought I'd do a little bit of a vlog because it's been a while since I've done a vlog, and a couple of days ago I put out on Instagram, what do you want to see on YouTube? And so many of you said vlog, vlog, vlog. So here we are. The first thing to do is I'm going to have a little meeting with my assistant, who is fantastic, who helps me out with all the things on my website, and writing emails, helping me with my social posts, and yeah, sorting all that side of it out, because I am not a one-woman band anymore, and I'm so grateful for that. So I'm going to have a little meeting. We're going to catch up on some really exciting projects we've got coming in the next couple of months. I won't spill any beans just yet. But then I've got some painting to do, because a charity have got in touch and would like me to paint something for their charity. So that's what I'm going to do. And also perhaps we might do some more painting as well, because I've got some, got some little paintings that just need finishing off, that I kind of started and never actually completed. So that's how the day is going to look. Yeah, I think first things first, let's get coffee. Okay, so next is the charity thing that I've had. I haven't actually probably looked at this yet, so we'll look at it in real time together. This is in aid of Alzheimer's Society and the Alzheimer's Society of Ireland. So it looks like we have a couple of envelopes. The envelopes to draw on are inside. You can draw, paint or create whatever you like on the envelope provided. Please sign the front of the envelope so that people can see it's really your work, and then send it back. And then the envelope will be displayed in an online gallery to generate interest ahead of an auction in November. 100% of the money raised from the envelope auction will go to support the tireless work undertaken by these two charities. Okay, so in the envelope, there are two envelopes. It's like a Russian doll of envelopes. So basically, I have these two envelopes, and it looks like I am supposed to paint something on the envelope, like the envelope is the canvas, you know? And then those envelopes will go towards an auction in November. So, I mean, Alzheimer's is something that has happened to my family in the past and currently even, and I know it's such a heartbreaking thing to witness and be a part of, and it was something that was important to me. And so I don't know what I'm going to do on these envelopes, but let's get creating some ideas of how I can bring a floral, colourful explosion to these envelopes. Okay, that was really fun. I did take a little bit longer than I had planned, but once you get in the swing of things, I don't know, I can't help it. And I didn't want it to be one of those things I just like quickly put together. I did actually really want to put my heart and soul into it. So this is the first one. Well, technically this was the second one, but you know what I mean. And then this is the other one. So this is both of them together. Let me know your favorite in the comment section. I love that they're kind of both florals, but literally so opposite. I feel like that kind of sums up my personality. I have quiet, soft green and white days, and then I have those bright pink and bright blue days. Okay, so that was really fun. Also, there's something really cool I want to show you. Let me just go get it. Okay, this is what I wanted to show you. So this may look like a print in a frame. This is not my painting, by the way. I just had this on downstairs. But this is actually a digital print. Now, I know for so many of us, we want to like swap out our decor, change out our prints. But it gets expensive every time you have to like, you know, buy the print and make sure it fits the right frame, etc., etc. This is actually a digital frame. And just to clarify, this video, I'm not being paid for this video at all. I did get sent this for free to give it a go. And it is this brand called Reflection Frame. And I'll pop a link in the description box. And I just wanted to swap out the picture for one of my own, because this is one of the presets. So I'll show you how it works. Let's pop it on there for now. It also needs a little bit of a dust. So all you do is, they have an app, a reflection frame app. And what you can do is you can use any of these. Like I had this, that's it. It says ready to scan, look, tap to print. And you just hold it up there, then it ticks and buzzes on your phone. And then you just hold it there for a sec. It says connecting, and then it's uploading. You'll see it says, you know, 20%, the bar's moving up. And now watch when it actually changes. It's insane. It's so crazy. Look, okay, it's doing it. Now just watch the frame. It buzzes for a bit and the colors go a bit strange for a sec as it's loading up. It's just loading. And then gradually, piece by piece, the print appears, color by color. Like even the process itself amazes me. And then there it is. And I think what I really like about this one is that, you know, like often, sorry, I just realized I'm not in shot. You know, very often with like a digital photo frame, they like glow and the colors, like there's like the backlight, you know, and it just like glows weirdly in the corner. Whereas with this, you know, it literally just looks like a print, like it doesn't glow at all. And the colors change depending on how bright the room is. So yeah, I think it's really cool. It definitely passes my test because I've been looking for something like this for a long time, and you know, they're not cheap, and so you want to make sure you get the right one. So that's my, you know, great review of Reflection Frame. If you're looking for something like that, then I definitely recommend this one. So the next thing I think I probably would like to do is some of the paintings behind me. I started months ago and a lot of them just kind of sit around because I get very excited with new ideas. I struggle to finish the idea. So I'm going to put some music on and just get really in the creative zone and finish off some of these paintings. Also, something I just realized that I really want to show you as well. So I've been getting into minerals and I've started a mineral collection. I don't know if anyone here is into minerals, but I picked up a beautiful piece of kunzite 2 days ago. Let me show you. Now, I think this is quite delicate. This is kunzite. This piece specifically is from Afghanistan. And it is so beautiful. Like, it's a pink stone. It's so pretty. And it glows amazing in UV light as well. I'll put a photo here of what it glows like in UV. And it's so beautiful. So super happy. Let me know in the comments if anyone here is also a mineral collector. I'm just getting started, but I just find it fascinating and incredible how like this is a natural piece of art from the earth. It's incredible and they inspire me a lot. Okay, so I might get some lunch first, but let's get working on some of these paintings behind me. So guys, thank you so much for joining me today in the studio. I feel like we did quite a lot there, and I hope you enjoyed watching these paintings get finished. I am going to be having a studio artwork sale to make some space, because there's a lot of canvases everywhere, to make space for new work. So if you would like to be notified when the studio sale goes up, just pop your name and email down below onto my mail list, and I'll let you know all the details of when that's happening, so you don't miss out on a piece that you love, and it will be a time to pick up a good bargain and fill your house with artwork that makes you feel happy. That's always my aim. So yeah, thank you so much for joining me. Have a beautiful rest of your day wherever you are in the world, and make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Have a beautiful rest of your day, evening, and I'll see you soon. Bye.